car right there. Please make welcome to Stephen Glory.
Louisiana, and can you believe this visitor center? It is absolutely gorgeous.
You like it?
Love it. And check out the view, but no alligators yet. So here we are hanging out in the visitor center in these wonderful rocking chairs, drinking fresh coffee. And normally we go to a visitor center and we might pick up 2 or 3 brochures or something like this. Check out the stack of brochures we have.
We're gonna be very busy.
Our trip has already changed directions a couple of times.
We might not make it to Florida.
We might not make it to Florida. So we had just gotten out of the visitor center, and we talked to this wonderful gal that gave us that big thick stack of brochures. And she was telling all these places we have to see. Well, she was telling us about an alligator farm. Is that right? It's called a farm, I think.
Yeah, they rescue baby alligators.
They rescue baby alligators. And
maybe the alligators ends up in somebody's pool or whatever, and they go out and they rescue baby alligators.
Right.
In Jennings, Louisiana.
In Jennings, Louisiana. So she's telling us about, you know, everything they do with these alligators.
And she keeps saying, yeah, you guys need to stop there and you can hold them, alligator.
Hold them.
Hold them. And she kept saying, oh, you have to go hold them. And I know I'm thinking, I don't know what that means, but okay. And so finally, I think Tom
finally
said,
asked.
what?
Yeah, what is hold 'em?
And she's like, hold 'em.
She says, hold 'em.
And we're like, oh, hold 'em. Okay, we got it, hold 'em.
But I think she's the only one that's tripped us up so far on the language here.
I couldn't understand what the lady was saying that she had in her cooking class that she had made the beignets, but that's not exactly. She wasn't. Anyways, however she was saying beignet, I couldn't understand what she meant. But other than that,
we're doing good. Yeah. Anyways, we thought that was a funny story and we'd share it with you.
Run up to people when you see them out.
No, they'll be released into like refuges, so they're not around people.
Gotcha. Okay. So this guy's a year and a half?
Yes.
Do you name him?
Yes, this is Petite.
Petite. Aww. They are very cute, huh? So where are they rescued from?
Oh, anywhere around here, pretty much. People will find them in their ditches, their pools,
Okay.
fossil fields, stuff like that.
Live from Walmart. You'll never see this in the Sacramento area. We got Mardi Gras swag.
I think we need to decorate the trailer.
Ooh, I don't know about that.
So here we are in Lake Charles, Louisiana. We arrived in Louisiana yesterday, and it's very exciting to be in a state that we have never ever been in before. And we're on the Creole Nature Trail looking for an American alligator. I really want to see an alligator, like way over there. All right, hope everybody's having a good day.
Well, so far we've seen lizards, snakes, and a small alligator, and a turtle. Nah, a bunch of turtles. We just hope one doesn't like move in behind us and block our pathway back out of here. And so we're walking along this beach here, and look at what we find. All nicely curled up there. Wow, we really enjoyed our visit to the Lake Charles area. Originally, we were only going to pass through this area, and we ended up spending 3 days here, I believe. Here's some more pictures of the abundance of nature along the Creole Trail, where we got to see a bunch of alligators from the comfort of our truck. No way were we getting out of the truck for these pictures. We also had some good seafood. They make these things called seafood po' boys. Oh, they're wonderful. And we drove some old neighborhoods. Fun time in this place. So this is another Harvest Host location in Lafayette at the Vermilion Historic Village, where we spent 3 nights. So far, we're close to about 50% paid places and about 50% free locations. This historic village is full of volunteers who are also historians and full of information. Let's catch up with a few of them.
My youngest one got my first quilt 7 years ago. Because the quilt was 25 years old, which she doesn't even realize. I had made it 25 years ago when I first moved here. I'd made that quilt top, but never got to quilt it because I dreamed of seeing it in a frame like my grandma's. And 25 years later, I got this job, and my boss knew about that quilt. She says, bring your personal quilt in and quilt it. And I brought that in my dream. She made my dream come true.
Nice.
It's like one day I'm quilting along, it's like, this is how I envisioned this. I said, and it was finished. It was my little sister's year for her 25th wedding anniversary. So I sent it to her.
Aww.
And she doesn't know why she has it, but she got the first quilt. The others are waiting yet. So now this sister is next. And then my children, I didn't give any to my children. I've never kept one. And I have a grandson graduating, so I'm so far behind.
So you'll probably notice our surroundings look a little bit different, but you're going to have to wait probably a couple of episodes to see where we actually are.
Very different for us.
Very different. We've got some stories.
I guess that's it. Until next time.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
So Tom and Anna. Yeah, that's great. Okay, you gotta start that over.
Go ahead.
No, stop it. Delete it.
Go ahead.
No. No.